Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share information about something up. Lenovo Pad Plus 2024 model, which was launched on June, just few months ago, 2-3 months ago. Guys, Lenovo Pad Plus comes with 2K IPS LCD display, which has a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and there's only single model Wi-Fi variant. There is no SIM card variant, and this could be one of the best tab in the price range. Guys, this tab was launched for price range around 23 to 24,000, I think so, and this tablet was easily available for some 17 to 18,000 in Amazon Great Indian Festival with SBI card offers. If you guys want to check out, this could be one of the best tab for just normal content consumption for indoor use. Uh, as per my usage, I have been using this tablet for some 2-3 days. Uh, I felt like this could be best tablet if you wanna use in indoor. This tablet is not for everyone, not for the person who uses outside also. Means if you're using car and all, inside car and all, it's okay. But if you take and go towards the sunlight and all, you may get to see shadow, yeah, reflections and all. Giving that, by considering other specification, this could be one of the best tablet in the present. There are even more options like Xiaomi Pad and Samsung Pad, yeah, Samsung EA series pad, Samsung AC series pad and all. Those pad one comes with good specification. Yeah, doesn't matches your requirement in this price range, guys. This could be one of the best tab in the price range. If you wanna check out, don't miss this deal. Go and get it ordered. If you wanna consume content and use for a normal while. For gaming also, I think so. It's okay. Refresh rate doesn't matter that much, guys. 90 Hz is also more than enough. If you wanna use 120 Hz now, battery will be gone only. As I have used this tablet, my review is this tablet comes with good. Matlab, I've never seen this like speakers ever in any tablet, yeah, smartphone. Such a speakers. And this tablet also comes with a back stand. You guys can see. You guys can see the thickness and thin of this tablet also. I was supposed to make video last night, but I'm making early morning for the sake I will be leaving outside. And so I'm recording as quickly as I can. Yeah, you guys can see Lenovo branding in backside and this backing. Let me show the camera. As you guys can see, camera is good in this version. I will be sharing some photo samples below in G Drive. You guys can check out. Hi, hello. Selfie camera is also absolutely fine. I have some photo samples I will be sharing. This is a video sample from Lenovo Tab Plus. You guys are seeing hello. Camera is in between. As you guys, one of the first tab which I am reviewing. I hope you guys liked it. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.
Enemy spotted.
That's all guys for today's video. And another one thing with this pad compared to other pads is this pad comes with Android 14 out of the box, and Lenovo guarantees 3 years of security patch update and 2 years of two major OS updates. Processor, let me speak about processor at the last at least. This tablet comes with MediaTek Helio G99 6nm processor. Not that much matters. There will be no much big security concern. There will be not that much privacy things, I hope so. If you are really going to check out about tab and all, your requirement might be just gaming or content consumption, yeah, to draw or sketch. This tablet doesn't comes with S Pen in box. If you guys purchase manually some other brand S Pen, you can use it. There are settings, as you guys can see. I did some YouTube videos playback also. I will be displaying in between. You guys can see how was the view angle, how does colors get displayed in this tablet. I felt like a value for money, guys. Really value for money. There is only Wi-Fi variant. There's no LTE variant. You guys can really check out if you are really interested in. Let me show. There is uh, uh, inbox only. This tablet comes with some 45-watt charger. Let me show just a second. Wait. Brick like only can be said, guys. 45-watt fast charger. I think this also support PD charger. Yes, C2C cable, so that you can charge your tablet. Now all modern stuffs are coming with C2C cable, which are expensive ones. This tablet also comes with C2C cable. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. More and more, there are lot many upcoming videos. Stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. If you like the review, if you want some more, any other stuffs, comparison, other stuff of videos, you can comment down below. We will try. And also don't forget to comment below from where are you watching, from which city or which state are you watching our videos. We want to know that we are confused in which language should we make videos, what type of people are we being able to, what type of viewers are we being able to reach. We have no idea. We want some measurement. Please do comment down below in the comment section from which city, from where are you watching our video. That's all for today's video. Bye bye. आज की रात मज़ा हुस्न का आंखों में लीजिए, आज की रात मज़ा हुस्न का आंखों से लीजिए, वक्त बर्बाद की बात की लीजिए, वक्त बर्बाद की बात की आज की रात मज़ा हुस्न का आंखों में लीजिए, आज की रात मज़ा हुस्न का आंखों से लीजिए, चांद की कुर्बानी ले ले कुर्बानी तुम्हारी पक्की है, आज तो मेहरबानी, चांद की कुर्बानी ले कुर्बानी तुम्हारी पक्की है, आज तो मेहरबानी. थैंक यू वीडियो देखने के लिए. बस इतना ही था. एक कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव था. जो भी लोग लास्ट तक देखते हो ना, थोड़ा सा एंटरटेन तो करना चाहिए ना. हमें लास्ट तक देखे हो तो ठीक है. बाय बाय. अगले वीडियो में